Hello guys, welcome to Superviral Reviews. We are discuss about liquid crypto gold tool. If you are interested in this tool, please check link in the description. This secret green energy platform pays us daily crypto and commissions automatically, without selling a thing. Watch this video for more information about liquid crypto gold. Makes us $200 plus every 24 hours. Takes less than 15 minutes a day. No tech skills, no sites or fuels to build. Get paid in cash, crypto, or even gold without investment or risk. Built-in buyer DFY funnel and training. First to market automation tech and platform. First-time users already getting results. 100% beginner friendly. This world-first crypto-powered green energy affiliate platform is paying us daily commissions and free crypto. Even brand new users with no experience get amazing results, and you can too. Warning. This has nothing to do with buying crypto, trading crypto, risking any money, selling products, SEO, launch jacking, PPC, social media marketing, video marketing, CPA, e-commerce, drop shipping. It's easier and faster than any of those. It just takes 3 simple steps to get started. Step 1. Access the done-for-you funnel inside our secret platform. Everything's set up for you. Step 2. Connect to the secret green energy crypto program at no cost. We will make sure you get approved. Set and forget from multiple sources. Step 3. Relax as targeted traffic floods your DFY crypto, commission and lead generating funnel. Easily scale with built-in commission compounding. How to cash in on the crypto explosion even when coin values go down without investing a dime of your own. Crypto's hot one day, ice cold the next. Every time billionaires and governments raise alarms about how crypto hurts the environment. Picture generating free crypto and massive buyer lists. Whenever other people invest in green energy, it's the ultimate win-win. Money is pouring into alternative energy faster than ever. Crypto is already making regular people millionaires. Now for the first time, anyone can get the benefits of both without the crazy risks. Even the little guy. And without investing any of your own money. It's all thanks to a secret platform that pays recurring commissions and asset-backed crypto commissions you can withdraw daily in crypto, fiat cash or even gold whenever other people trade in the multi-trillion-dollar energy industry. Because this secret platform does something nothing else does, more on that below, and because it's brand new and untapped, so far. Early users are making 4 to 6 figure monthly profits. How? Just by sharing a done-for-you info funnel on alternative energy. The DFY funnel converts prospects into buyers, pays you crypto every time they trade and builds you a targeted buyer list at the same time. Our automated traffic system finds you laser-targeted prospects on autopilot. Making this a set and forget, 99% DFY business. How do we know? We do it ourselves because it gets us game-changing results like these. Here Demetris D. Papa says about this tool. Ongoing revenue streams in crypto, cash, and gold whenever other people trade in alternative energy. With our secret platform and DFY funnel there's no selling. Instead, we give away an info funnel that makes us free crypto whenever people trade clean energy. No competition. You are not competing with thousands of affiliates all pushing the same offers. This is a ground floor opportunity. No tech stuff. You don't need websites to build funnels or integrate anything. It's 100% DFY. No experience or marketing background needed. Our DFY funnel does all the heavy lifting. No more shame or embarrassment. Pushing products people don't need or use isn't fun. Now you can get paid for promoting a healthy environment. No waiting for results. Because you don't need to build a list or following first. Many users enjoy same-day results. The new and 1000x easier way to bank recurring commissions and crypto profits without any of the crypto risks. Liquid crypto gold changes all that. This untapped green money explosion is perfect for anyone, especially the little guy. How can this be so easy and so profitable? It's done for you with automated traffic. Tap into the exact automated system we use to grab targeted buyers. DFY funnel. This professional funnel turns prospects into commissions and leads for you. Recurring daily income potential. Get paid in crypto, cash or gold every time buyers trade or buy green energy. Even better, your commissions increase over time. You can get same-day results without any experience or risking any of your own money. Finally, a smarter way to profit from crypto. Introducing Liquid Crypto Gold. Passive profits powered by crypto. Make daily free crypto without investing a dime of your own. Cash in from the trillion-dollar energy industry. 100% beginner-friendly, no experience or tech skills needed. Get paid to build your buyers list. Recurring and compound commissions in crypto, cash and even gold. All-inclusive system including automated traffic. And we're not stopping there. For over-the-top value, you're also getting these custom money-making bonuses you won't find anywhere else. Bonus 1. Setup Guide. How to quickly and free set up a page, connect autoresponder to enjoy better conversions, and escalate the DFY funnel faster. Bonus 2. Passive Crypto Vault. Step-by-step guide to get you up and running for passive crypto or gold profits instantly and on day one. And to make this a complete no-brainer, you get full access without any financial risk at all. 30-day money-back guaranteed. So don't waste your time and get instant access now. The link in description. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification for more information. Thank you guys.